Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Cash App on TikTok Shop. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up TikTok. So just open up your TikTok Shop and then just make any purchase. Go to the shop. You have to go to your TikTok Shop and then you can search for any item and then go to the payment section where you will be where you can do the payment. So just search the product and then open up the shop and then select that product and then send it to go to your cart and then go to the payment section. When you get to the payment section here, if you want to use Cash App, then the only way you can do is open up your Cash App and then you will get to this cash card here. So simply open up your cash card. You can just a free cash card. So if you want to use Cash App, the only way is you have to use your cash card. So use this cash card because this is similar to a Visa debit card. So what you can do, you can simply plug these in your TikTok. When you get to the payment section, just use your card, just use card as your payment method and then plug in the details of your cash card because it's similar to a Visa debit card from your bank. So use that and then you can make the payment on your TikTok Shop. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.